The local elections are coming Thursday, 4th of May 2023, and we want everyone to use their vote. For some people, voting may be difficult, but this year, more than ever, we're taking further steps to make our polling stations accessible and to roll out additional training for our staff. So when you arrive to a polling station this year on Thursday, 4th of May, you can expect to find ramps for easy access to the station, a lowered booth for wheelchair access, tactile devices for blind or partially sighted voters, which poll clerks will be trained to use, braille ballot papers, magnifiers, pencils with rubber grips, and you can even use accessibility apps on your smartphone. The ballot box will be elevated and will be clearly marked where to post your vote. There are also chairs if you need to sit, and if you have a companion to help you who's over the age of 18, they are welcome to come and support you. They do not need to be registered to vote to enter the polling station. Our staff will be on hand to help, and we want to make sure that everyone can vote. So, if there is something we can do to increase our accessibility and to make voting easier for you, get in contact by calling the NBC Electoral Services Helpline on 01622 602 007.